the Indian media alleges that Dr. Zakir Naik is banned from giving any public speech all over India. Now again, this is a blatant lie, because never ever have I been banned in any part of India to give public lecture except once. It was in this year itself. I was going to give a talk on the 2nd of January in Mangalore, and because there was the speech organized a few days later by Praveen Togadia, who was banned, there was an objection from the opposition that if you have banned Praveen Togadia, why are you allowing Dr. Zakir Naik to give? And at that time, I was given an official notice not to come to Mangalore for 1 week for giving any public lectures. So officially, as far as banning my speeches anywhere in India, it was only once. That was in Mangalore. That also was only for 1 week. Never ever have I been banned anywhere in India for giving public lecture. Yes, there have been occasions where I have not been given permission to give lectures. And in my full life, there were only 4 times in 4 places where I was not given permission. Once, it was in Lucknow the first time, that was several years back. Once, it was in Rajasthan. And once, it was in Murshidabad. And once, it was in Thana. So only on 4 occasions have I been officially refused to give lectures, public lectures, but banned only once. I'm aware that because I give lectures and there are some people who are against me, they always take objections and they go and complain. Complaints are many. But as far as being banned is only once, only for 1 week, that also in the city of Mangalore, and permission not being granted is only on 4 occasions.